In this video, I show you how to uninstall, delete, remove Feel Hard Finger Launcher. For solving this, go to Settings, then go to Apps, then tap on Feel Hard Finger Launcher. You can see that no uninstall option. Scroll down, then click on Home App, tap on it. Now select your phone launcher, my case Pixel launcher. Any other phone have system launcher. Tap on it. Go to Settings, then go to Apps. Now tap on Feel Hard Finger Launcher. Now tap on Uninstall. Now tap on OK. Now I hope that you uninstall, delete, remove Feel Hard Finger Launcher from your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.